Man try to say he's better than me. Tell my man shut up. Mention my name in your tweets. I rude boy, shut up. Better than me? Shut up.
Hey guys, it's Bicana. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. If you'd like, you can go check out my other videos. I have a Fashion Nova haul and some Zaful hauls and some thrift hauls. But today I went to Forver21 with the idea of getting some Fashion Nova Zaful-esque items for the cheap on the low, you know. That was so corny. But the first item I picked up was this dress. And it's this, like, what do you call this? Mustard color dress, and it has flaps in the front. I think it is really cute. I like the sleeves, and they fit snug, and it gives me like cleavage. I mean, I already have cleavage, but it makes my cleavage look nice. I really like it. The next item I got is the exact same dress but in black. So, you know, black, you can never go wrong. I feel like this is like a salsa dancing dress. I don't know, it's really beautiful and it snatches my waist. The next item I got is this top. It's this mustard looking top, and it has these like corset-esque drawstrings at the very sides. I think it does look really good, and it's kind of cropped, but it's super duper cute. I got the same top in a gray color. And I actually picked up this gray color first, but I got a bottom that is the same color as that mustard one. I don't know, I have like a whole mustard trend going on, but I really like it. I really think it's cute. The next top that I picked up, and I picked this up on my way to the cash register. Oh shit. The dress I got in a medium, and it's $14.90. The top I also got in a medium, and it was $8. So saving your coins. This is $9.90 and I got it in a medium, but this shoulder part is a bit tight, but I'll probably bring it back and get a large. I don't know why it's so tight, it's weird. But the front I think has a really cute pattern, like design. If you can see that, it cinches in the middle right here. I really like it, and I really think it's so cute. So I only got 3 tops and 2 dresses. The bottom that I have was $7. I know, right? And it's so cute because it like cuts off like a little bit below your knee, like mid shin. Is that what you call that part of your leg? Like this part you call like shin, right? Yeah, that's your shin. It stops like mid shin. That don't sound right. Just don't listen to me. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And I got it in the medium, but it's super duper cute, and I really like it. The next thing I picked up, oh, this was the bottom. This is the bottom that goes so well with this top. Like, aren't the colors really close? The colors are really close. I'll try it on together so you guys can see. It looks like a set, so Fashion Nova, I'm coming for you. And it flares at the bottom, because I don't think you guys are going to be able to see that in the video. But it flares at the bottom like a bell-bottom pants, and it makes your booty look good. This was, I got it in a small, and it's $12.90. I should have picked up some more colors because it looked really good. And then the last item I got is this the shorts that I'll wear with the gray top, and it's so cute. It reminds me of something you get from Brandy Melville, and you can also find stuff like this on Fashion Nova. It was like $7.99. I think it's really, oh, my nose is sweating. It's really cute, and I'm gonna wear it with the gray. I think I said that before. But anyways, that was it. Everything was under $15. Like I said, if you like this video and if you guys watched it all the way through, go check out my other hauls, please, and like this video and drop a comment down below. And yeah, subscribe. Thank you so much, and happy holidays again, and have a great new year if I don't upload anything else after that. Bye.
Shut up. Best in the scene. Tell my man, yo, couple man call me a backup dancer. On stage at the Brits, I'm a backup dancer. If that makes me a backup dancer, the man in your vids.